concerned about trash talk. I'm counting down to that blast off. Like, whoa, I'm ready to go. Don't give advice, you ain't done it before. You think you've been ballin', but look at the score. We rockin' that camo, we going to war. Yeah, I'm Tom Brady with a comeback. You falling off like a hubcap. These other rappers up Thursdays, so we talk about you as a throwback. I know who really killing it now. I'm making my family proud. Don't matter what everyone's saying, as long as I'm what they are talking about. Yeah, hit a milli now, they be sitting down. I be moving up, I'm the reason why they be giving up, cause they can't relate. I've been on my way to a better life, had to sacrifice sleeping every night, working overtime, had to pay the price, following my dream. Now I'm on the rise, they be watching me. What a time, what a time. Last year I was on mine, this year I'ma keep it going. New album, you know it's coming. I've been down with the same ones. New year, I'm the same one. Don't play with me, I don't play nice, and I'm building up. This ain't overnight. Like, whoa.
I'ma make a couple stacks, do exactly what I want to. Mix a couple tracks, get a lady that I'm drawn to. Turn up to the max, get me faded till I'm gone, dude. I do what I want, couldn't stop me if you wanted to. I just work hard, yeah, harder than the rest. Some people say I'm lucky, others saying that I'm blessed. But I keep my head down, cause I crave progress. You ain't never gonna stop me, cause it's my conquest. And I'm never gonna rest, yeah. And y'all don't know this.